Today we got to ride with Luciano and his R6 Yamaha. This is one he did a lot of work on. I did some of the paint work on it. It's restored to look like a Kenny Roberts paint job from that era, and it's kind of a unique paint job. And some of the body work came from China, if I remember right. He's got a brand new set of Pirelli Angels, and boy, did I have trouble mounting those Pirelli Angels on my R1. And he had exactly the same problem. They're really hard, very stiff carcass tires, especially if it's cold out. And he's got a real cool Del Cavik muffler. A lot of cute little features you don't notice till you look at the bike close. Looking good, baby. Man alive. Kenny Roberts would be so jealous. Looks good.
I got my sandwich inside.
You got your salami sandwich in
Salami
there?
sandwich, a beer.
2 beers and no sandwich. Looks good. Looks good, baby. So how many miles are on this now?
21,000.
21,000? Brand new.
I put 1,000 miles since I got it. I didn't use that much.
No, I know. You're babying it. I
Yeah.
don't know why you're babying it. What's the point? You're never going to wear it out, that's for sure.
The foreigners, I got too many toys. That's what it is.
I know one thing, these bikes are going to last longer than us.
You jump from one toy to the other.
Yep. That's what keeps you young. That's why women find you so attractive. They know you got a lot of motorcycles.
Yeah, a lot more too.
And a lot of money. And a nice puppy. Yeah, it looks good, nice and clean. So nice and clean too. You know, when you don't ride a bike a lot, it's amazing. They stay nice and clean. Oh, the tires don't wear out. Oh my God. Yeah, this looks nice. I remember doing the paint work on this. But yeah, this was a lot of work.
Yeah.
Laying out that stripe on the tank. Oh man, making everything match. Oh my God.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
The valve was a
The curvy girl?
It's a knockoff. It's the same idea.
The same thing. Yeah, you probably bought a different
Yeah,
brand.
but the entire enough.
Yeah, if you put Loctite on, you can't get them off. They break.
Even the blue Loctite.
Even blue Loctite, yeah. Found out the same thing. They're a very hard carcass. Oh my God, when I
Yeah.
put that tire on the R1, I could have died.
I thought it was a different Diana.
No. They're at the top.
They
Pirelli
made-
Angels are a son of a gun to get on.
16 and a half. That's why it wouldn't go on the rim.
Pirelli Angels are difficult to put on, trust me. Ask me, and he had the same experience here.
The front one was fine.
They're hard, the carcass. When you go to put the tape, oh, you got a machine, but I put the tape on, oh
The
man.
problem I did it in the winter.
Oh yeah. Oh, you just move to Florida and they go right on. Just move your house to Florida. That's it. Ray said he never has trouble putting tires on. They are different than Michelin's though.
Yeah.
And the Michelin 5s, I don't even think you need the tape to put them on. They go on so easy.
If you should fire, you turn around.
Michelin 5s, you put them out in the sun for 10 minutes. You don't. Sometimes you don't even need the tape.
Somebody was said, I don't remember the year, MT09 in some place in New Jersey was a 665.
I'm impressed. I love that paint job. You know, the yellow, white, and the black stripe,
That's
the
what
lattice.
You did, right? You did it all.
Yeah.
You did it all, right?
Yes, to match that stripe. Don't you remember we did it in your
Yes, I
garage?
know.
To match that stripe was unbelievable. And then to get it to go around the back. Because you called me up, you said come up to my house so we don't have to bring all the parts over.
I remember.
That's all on video. By the way, anybody wants to see an R6 paint job that looks easy but isn't, just put up R6 paint job, my name in quotation marks. You'll see how fun that is. You got these on several of the bikes now, Del Cavik.
Yeah.
What did you pay for these? You got these off
It's
eBay?
about 240, 260,
240?
depends which one. The 400 Kawasaki has a little bit exhaust, shorter
Yes, I
exhaust.
know, yeah. But the next time I'm going to try one of these.
Good, very high quality.
Scott has one on his bike too.
It comes with the mid-pipe.
And you get the mid pipe with it too? Okay, so everything matches up and it looks like a nice heavy duty clamp.
They got it.
And this is nice and heavy duty.
Yeah. And they got a triangular shape. They got the round shape.
Right.
And the oval.
Well,
They
the
got
triangle looks nice.
Yeah.
Now, is there a baffle in there?
Yeah.
I see you got a baffle. Because it's quiet.
It's
It's
a
nice
bolt
and quiet.
here. You
Yeah,
can
I
take it
see
off.
it. Yeah, like an RD.
I like it the way it is.
Don't touch a thing. Sometime if it's not broken, you're better off not fixing it.
Absolutely.
But those Pirelli tires, boy, was I shocked. Now, I remember one time at your house with the tire machine with a Dunlop. We had one hard Dunlop in the middle of the winter. Oh,
No, Dunlop, Pirelli, they're very hard.
oh
They
man.
enjoy.
we had a really nice ride today, the R6, and we up and down 106. That is Luciano's favorite road of all times. And the R6 with the Pirelli Angels, well, if you have a set of Pirelli Angels and you find some secret way to put them on, maybe you need an oven to get them warm. But they are good tires, and they do work. They work well as far as I can tell. I've got them on my R1. He's got them on this bike. Vlad has them on. So, and we'll be doing a mileage test as soon as we get some more mileage on this summer. But we're trying to ride every day. We're trying to link up with Luciano with the various bikes he has. Get some footage of each one of his bikes as we go through the rotation. And every day that we can ride, that's the magic trick. Try to ride every day. The weather is appropriate for riding. And I'm hoping you enjoy sharing these videos with us. We enjoy making them, we enjoy editing them, and we enjoy going for the rides. And thanks so much for watching.